Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a southern peach cobbler. There's only 2 people in my house, and so I'm cutting the recipe in half. But we're going to start with a half cup of flour and a half cup of sugar and just mix those together. And once they're combined, we're going to add a half cup of milk. Now, the original recipe did not call for vanilla. I think it makes everything taste just a little bit better. So you can leave that out if you want, but I do put a splash of vanilla in as well. And then we're just going to mix that together. It's going to be a very runny or very liquidy batter. Just make sure that it's well combined and no lumps. You can use a small cake pan or any small baking dish that you have. And really the baking dish I'm going to use, it could stand to be just a little bit bigger because it will boil over in the oven if you're not careful. That happens to me all the time, so you'll notice I have it sitting on like a cookie sheet to catch the excess. Now you want to go ahead and melt a half stick of butter and just pour it into the dish that you're going to bake in. And then I just use a silicone brush and brush up on the sides a little bit so that it doesn't stick to the sides of the baking dish. This is a very easy recipe. Once you get the butter coated on the sides, you're just going to dump the batter straight in. And then you're going to go in with your peaches. You can use fresh or you can use out of a can. If you use fresh, you just want to cook them down on the stove with a little bit of sugar and water. And just spread the peaches out. Now we're ready to go into a preheated oven, 375 for 40 minutes. I check it there after about a half an hour to make sure it's okay, and then pulled it out right at 40 minutes. This is good served with ice cream or just like it is. So enjoy, guys. Hope you have a great week this week. Bye.